My name is Chef Paisley, and today I'm going to show you how to make energy bites. Hi, let's cook a special treat together. Come on, let's go. First, you need 1 cup of quick oats or old-fashioned oats. I use quick oats because we make quick oatmeal in the mornings. Now we'll need 1/2 cup of peanut butter. You can use creamy or crunchy. And if you're allergic or don't like peanut butter, you can use nut-free or gluten-free butter. You'll need a spatula each. The trick is to swipe the spatula all around the 1/2 cup. Now we're going to need 1/4 cup of flaxseed. Okay. The flaxseed makes it healthy and nutritious. Bye-bye. Now you'll need another 1/4 cup of chia seeds or shredded coconut. Now we will need 1/3 cup of honey. Instead of using sugar, you use honey because that's way more healthy. Now we'll need another 1/3 cup of chocolate chips. But you can use dried cranberries, dried blueberries, or you can use walnuts or other kinds of nuts, like almonds. We use chocolate chips to make it very sweet. Now we'll need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You'll have to do it over the bowls. Oh my. So it doesn't spill. Uh-oh. It's okay. I got it. That was a big mistake. But remember what we talked about in my first episode. Accidents happen. Now we'll have to mix it all together. It's very fun. You'll have to get all the bottom parts up to the top so you don't forget about them. Now I'm going to show you how to roll them into balls. You'll have to roll up your sleeves because it's getting kind of messy right now. You'll need about a handful full of the dough. And if they're too sticky, you can chill them for a couple minutes. This is very fun. It might be a little messy, but it's okay. You can wash your hands afterwards. I like to eat these because they're nutritious and delicious. Hey, that rhymes. I like to eat them for an afternoon snack. You can also use them for a morning snack because if you eat them in the morning, you'll have energy for the whole day. Now, I'm going to finish rolling the balls. After, you'll need to chill them for 1 or 2 hours. You should keep them refrigerated like in between your snacks. Because if you don't keep them refrigerated, they'll get a little bit soggy and they won't taste as good. And that's why I like them refrigerated. Now it's time to taste test. Very good. These taste very good. If you're afraid that you'll taste the chia seeds or flax seeds, that is just to make it healthy. You won't taste it at all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe at my YouTube channel. Bye. I'm so messy.